Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class, children. Today we are going to do revision of chapter patterns. So everyone take out your maths copy, draw a margin there, write today's date, write revision and also the chapter name. So let's start. Today, children, we are going to do some of the sums on identify basic shapes in a pattern. So we are going to identify the basic shapes in a pattern. So you know what basic shapes means? Do you remember? The repeated parts of a pattern is called the basic shapes. So children, let's understand what is pattern and the basic shapes, and we'll also identify basic shapes in the given patterns. So let's start. Let's revise it again. So what is pattern, children? Repeating a shape or a group of shapes in a particular order gives rise to a pattern. Now suppose, children, if you can take any shape. Let's take circle, children. If you take circle and triangle, if you repeat these two shapes in a particular order, children, suppose first you will put circle, then triangle, again followed by your circle, children, then triangle. So the repetition of these shapes forms what? Forms a pattern. Now let's understand what is basic shape, children. We have understood what is pattern, isn't it? Basic shapes are what? The repeated parts of a pattern is called its basic shapes. The repeated parts of a pattern is called its basic shape. Children, it's very important to understand the shapes which are repeating again and again is your basic shape. Clear? Now let's understand this example of your book, children. So you can see that the first figure is pentagon, second is triangle, isn't it? Then pentagon, triangle. You can see, children, that in this pattern, what are the basic shapes? Pentagon and triangle. And pentagon and triangles are repeated again and again, children, to form your pattern. Clear? So you are being able to identify the basic shapes. Next pattern, let's take. What figures are repeating here, children? Which figures? First is square and second is circle. Square, circle. Now children, you can see that these two shapes. So what? Now you have to identify the basic shape. So what are the basic shape here, children? Square and circle is the basic shape. Clear? And you have to repeat square and circle but repeatedly, children, to form a pattern. Clear? The third one, you can see what shapes are here. Cylinder and cone, isn't it? So cylinder and cone, children, is repeating again and again to form a pattern. So first is cylinder, then cone. Again we'll start with cylinder and cone. These two basic shapes, children, are repeated again and again to form a pattern. Clear? What is pattern and what is basic shape, children? The repeated part of the pattern of a pattern is called its basic shapes. Now you can see here same shapes of different colors. These are what? These are same shapes, but what is the difference? Different colors can be arranged to get a pattern. For example, you can see circle. All are circle but the colors are different, isn't it? Then next, all are square but the colors are different. Now children, if you have to identify the basic shapes in it, then what will it be, children? Now you can see the shapes are what? Shape is same but three different colors are repeating here, isn't it? So we'll take yellow, blue and your brown color. So you can say that these three are the basic shapes which are repeating, isn't it? Yellow, blue and brown. Yellow, blue and brown. Clear? This applies to all the patterns which have same shapes but different colors. Now next you see children, there is one more example. Observe the given pattern. A part of the pattern is repeated. It is highlighted as shown. So children, you have to identify the basic shape which is repeated here to form this pattern. So you can see in first, this is which shape? Rectangle shape, isn't it? And this rectangle shape is repeated again and again to form a pattern. Now in this, you can see all of flowers. All of flowers, isn't it? Shapes are same children, but colors are different. So what are the basic shapes here? You can say that the basic shapes are your blue and yellow color flower. Clear? Don't get confused with it children. And it also applies to this. Next, example 1. Find the basic shapes in the given pattern. Now let's identify the basic shapes and then we will check the answer. So children, you can do in your copy this, practice this, take out your copy, try yourself first and then check your answer. Now children, the first one A, you can see here the first figure is how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. So this figure is called hexagon. Okay. So first figure is hexagon. This you know it is rectangle. Then this is circle. Again children, it is followed by your hexagon, rectangle, circle. Again followed by your hexagon, rectangle, circle. So what are the basic shapes here children? You know that these 3 are the basic shapes, isn't it? If you are able to identify the basic shapes, it is very easy to form a pattern. Next, you can see square, circle, square, circle. So you can see that the square is followed by your circle children. So which are the basic shapes? Your basic shapes are square and circle. Clear? Now next, third. You can see here the shapes are same but colors are different, isn't it? So what are the colors? First is red, brown, blue, isn't it? So children, we are going to repeat these 3 colors. So we'll take these 3 as your basic shapes. Clear? We'll take these 3 as your basic shape. Clear? So you can check your answer. Understood? You try yourself and then you check your answer. Now next children, in this example 3, identify the basic shapes in each of the following pattern. Now children, this is also one pattern and you have to identify the basic shape. So this is complete shape, isn't it? So this is your rectangular shape but vertically, isn't it? So you will draw this way. Clear? You have to identify the basic shape. If you are able to identify the basic shape, it is very easy to form a pattern. Clear? And in the last one you can see that square is the basic shape which is repeated again and again to form a pattern. Clear? So next, complete the given pattern by coloring. So children, you can see what colors are used here. Blue and brown. Blue, brown. Blue, then after followed by brown. Okay children, so you can put the colors to complete the pattern. Clear children? So that's all for today. You practice this at home. You can see there are drill questions children. You can practice these questions. Now you can see here, identify the basic shapes or group of basic shapes in each of the following pattern. Now first one, shapes are same, isn't it? But colors are different. So what are the basic shapes? We are going to repeat this too, isn't it? So this is your basic shape. Clear? So this is how we identify the basic shape. Next, you can see rectangle, square, rectangle, square. So your basic shape is rectangle and square. Clear? Next, you can see, children, square, and there are two rectangles of two different colors, isn't it? So we'll take this 3 as your basic shape. The last one, circle, rectangle, square. Circle, rectangle, square. So 3 basic shapes are repeating here, children. That is circle, rectangle, square. So if you have to identify, these 3 are your basic shapes. Okay. So that's all for today, children. Practice at home, and if you find difficulty in any of this topic, you can ask me. In our next class, children, will do complete the patterns. So thank you so much.